Need to restore your iPhone, whether it's stuck, won't update, or you just want to start over. I'll show you exactly how to restore it using a Mac or Windows PC, step by step. Welcome back to the Fix Desk. Let's fix it. Before we begin, keep in mind that restoring your iPhone erases everything on the device. If you have a recent backup, you can restore your data afterwards. If not, you'll be setting up your iPhone as new. In this video, I'm using a Mac where the restore is done through Finder. If you're using a Windows PC, you'll follow these same steps, but you'll be using iTunes or the Apple Devices app. First, you're going to connect your iPhone to your computer using a USB cable. If your iPhone's already in recovery mode, Finder or iTunes should detect it automatically. If it's not in recovery mode, we need to place it there. And this is all about timing. You're going to press the volume up button, then you're going to press the volume down button, and then you're going to press and hold the power button. You will continue to hold the power button until you see the recovery mode screen. At that point, you can let it go. Once again, it is all about timing. So it needs to be done quickly once you have the device plugged in. So you're just going to go up, then down, and hold the power button. The power button on the right side is the only button that you're going to continue to hold. So now we're going to press up, down, and hold. Continue to hold the power button and wait. You'll see the screen go dark. You'll continue to hold, and you'll get the Apple logo next, but we're going to keep holding. Just wait. Continue to hold. Even though the Apple logo is here, we're still holding the power button, and we're looking for the recovery mode screen. And we have it. Perfect. Once you see this screen with the cable and the computer, go ahead and let go of the button. We now can continue into Finder or iTunes if you're using a PC. At this point, you'll be getting the message in Finder or iTunes that says there's a problem with your iPhone that requires it to be updated or restored. You want to make sure you choose Restore. So go ahead and click on Restore. Once you hit Restore, at that point, you're going to be prompted, are you sure you want to restore and update? It's going to let you know that you're going to lose all your data and all of that, as we already discussed. But go ahead and hit Restore and Update, and then you're going to hit Next. It'll ask you to agree to the terms. So go ahead and agree to those. Once you do, your computer will begin to download the latest compatible version of iOS and completely reinstall the operating system on your iPhone. Now, depending on your internet connection, this process may take several minutes. Leave your iPhone connected until it's finished. Once the restore completes, you're going to see your hello screen and all that, and you're going to go through the setup process. From here, you'll be able to set it up as a new iPhone, restore from an iCloud backup, restore from a Mac or PC backup, or even transfer data from another iPhone using Quick Start. So you have several options left. You're just going to choose the one that best fits your situation and continue through the setup process. That's all there is to restoring an iPhone using a Mac or Windows PC. Now, keep in mind, your iPhone will restart several times during this process, so just leave it connected until you see the hello screen. You see here, we just got a pop-up that it was complete, even though our phone's still showing the Apple logo. That just means Finder or iTunes is done doing its job. Now we're waiting for the iPhone to boot back up to the hello screen, where we'll go in and set it up at that time. And perfect. We have our hello screen, which means we have successfully restored our iPhone using our Mac or PC. If this video helped you, consider subscribing to the Fix Desk for more simple solutions. Thanks for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next one.